Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you when I upload a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes they're time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, if you're enjoying my content on the YouTube platform, that thumbs up that's found right underneath the video, if you're enjoying my content, please take a second to help me out and press that button. What ends up happening is it will turn blue and the number will increase, and then you're helping me grow on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me if you're enjoying my content. So once again, it's that thumbs up. All right. Today we are here, I cannot believe it, to discuss the Truewants Need It Bag Volume 5. It is crazy that this is, that when we started this, it was just going to be, a quarterly. We were going to try to do it. And then you guys have been so fantastic and so welcoming with the products that I've decided that I wanted to share, and my best way to share it was to put it into these bags, and also to introduce you guys a little bit to Improving Lifestyles, which is our business that I have with my brother. So I am so excited that you guys have been loving it, and it's been growing and growing, and the people that I've had the opportunity to speak to via email and the repurchases, and then asking me, you guys have just been amazing. So the ones that have the channels and the ones that I'm seeing you enjoy the products, be it one of the ones that I'm going to mention to you in this bag, but most of it's going to be mystery because I know that's what you guys love, but including the necklaces and things like that. So when I get the opportunity to see the few people that have channels that have been so nice to share the bags on their channels, that you're enjoying the product so much that you're wearing it not only on the day that you open up the bag, but on numerous videos that I've seen you use the product. So, and then you've taken the time to write me emails to info@truewants.com how much you're enjoying the product. So thank you so much, because truly what I choose to put in the bag are products that I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys have access to them too, and that's how it all started. So what I also wanted to share with you guys, as you guys, like I said, majority of you that are subscribers to my channel, as well as people that don't subscribe but have purchased the Truewants Need It Bag through Improving Lifestyles, because that's how you get it. That's our website, and I'll leave that all linked down below where you can access everything. You guys have been very innovative on your own, including and not limiting to Rhonda, who has emailed us that every time she has taken a bag or gotten a bag or bought numerous bags, she always says, are you going to group some of the products together, because I would like more of this and more of that. And we've done some deals like that where it doesn't go through the website, it goes through a PayPal invoice, so that we're able to help you out. So when you guys see anything that you like, understand that we are a business and we also wholesale and things like that. So I want to make sure that you guys, if you get a product that you're enjoying, or you want, to buy it and things, but you don't want the whole bag, we understand. So we set up an area in our website that is our accessories section, which is very easy to access it, but I will link it also down below. But like Rhonda, if you want multiples and you want certain colors or certain things, just send us an email and then we'll try our best to make that work for you. We are a smaller business, so we're able to do that, and it has been working out beautifully. And it's through the innovation and the people that have reached out to me. Those that during Christmas, it was crazy how much we were able to grow simply based on you guys having us built to and shipped to, because everything we do is free shipping, which, as you know, that's something that I always look for when I'm buying from a company, and I always try to meet those thresholds, and I didn't want anyone to have to do that on our website. So anything that you buy, you automatically will get free shipping across the USA. So most of our customers, all of our customers right now, are in the US, simply because that's how we're set up, and that's the best way that we're able to do it and be able to keep our costs the way that we need to be able to give you the pricing that we've been able to give to you. So this is the announcement that we are definitely going to be doing a volume 5. I'm not going to be sharing with you what's in it. The price on this one is going to be more in line to the prices that we had on majority of our bags, be it that we're able to, because the last one that we did with volume 4 was a request from a lot of you that you were interested in the backpack, and a lot of you who normally buy my bags have already bought the backpacks on your own on our website because you know the value and you've shown it. A few of you actually purchased it and told me that you have a channel, and I went to visit your channels just from you purchasing some of the items off the Improving Lifestyles website, having nothing to do with the Truewants Need It Bag. So I thank you for that. And a lot of you have been enjoying all those products, and you have purchased from us not just once. So it means a lot when it's repeat business, and I appreciate that as well. Also, I cannot thank you enough. We started to keep a separate spreadsheet of everyone who is buying certain things because we want to make sure that some duplicate items aren't going to happen and things like that. So we're trying our best to do that as well. And with that said, we have seen how many people, and it's unbelievable, have bought all 4 volumes. So I thank you so much for that. That just means everything. That means that you trust what I'm choosing to put in the bags, because a lot of times it's a mystery, and you guys have been getting it and enjoying it, and I cannot thank you guys enough. It means everything. So in reference to volume 5, like I said, when it's going to launch and what the price and everything will be down in the description box down below, including the links and how to get these bags. We also, if you're new to the Truewants Need It Bag, it is a bag that we tried to keep alive on the Truewants section of the Improving Lifestyles website. It's the pink box that's on the homepage. The reason I do that is I want to make sure, like, sometimes not all of us, and I know Mary, who reached out to me about volume 2, she missed out, and volume 2 was one of the first ones that we had to put sell out because one of the items that was in the bag I wasn't able to access again at a price that would make it that we would be able to put it with the bag. So until I was able to find what I thought was an equivalent product as one of the mystery items in the bag, I said we have to sell it out. So that's what we ended up doing. And then a few of you wrote to me, including Mary, that you wanted the volume 2. You just didn't have the funds at that time to be able to do it. So like I said, we were working on putting it back in, and the timing of Mary's email couldn't have come better. And she mentioned that she also has a channel and that she's going to be showing it on her channel and things like that. We were able to make it live again. So because we were able to put one of the mystery items, which I felt was equivalent, in for that product there. But like I said, if you're not familiar with the Truewants Need It Bag, there is a hero product in each one of the bags. And then what we do is we put extra mystery items in the bags of products that I also enjoy. But volume 1 was where it all started, and that one has 3 items in it out of the 4, because we always try to put 4 items in every bag. It is the best priced bag because it was my intro bag to get it out there, and I shared with you why the 18 number was so important to me. But it's not an attainable number when you're putting the quality of the products that I'm putting in there, plus the shipping, the packaging, and all that. So it was something that I wanted to do as a give back. So if you haven't gotten volume 1, that one is going to stay alive more than all of our other bags, simply because right now the 3 items that are in there are items that are core products that are on our website. So I'm able to really make sure that that stays alive, and then the mystery item always will change within that bag. Volume 2 is the one that has the crossbody bag, and that, if you do not request a color, you will always get the wine one, which was the one that I wanted in the bag. Now a lot of you have asked, you know, if you can get it, that it's not, you know, you wanted to buy another one and you already have the wine one, and then you put a note in when you placed for volume 2 that you wanted the black one, the brown one, or the tan one, and we were able to do that for you as well. So we always tell you to put a couple of choice colors, your first one and then a couple of others. So if we have it, we try, and we have done it, being able to fulfill the orders that way. So that worked. Then volume 3 was really one that was a lot of fun, and that one did exceptionally well. And that one included the necklace that I'm wearing. You had the choice of the gold or the silver. It had the fascinator hat, and then the core product was one of our top wallets that are on our website. Then volume 4 was that leather backpack, which also was a great winner. And then a couple of the accessories that we put in there were ones that you guys wanted to buy in multiples. And one of the ones that I'm talking about is the magnifier. And this is the one that's the LED magnifier that has the light. If you open it all the way, you'll see the light on it. But you can also open it just enough that it's not there. It closes within itself, so if you have it in your purse, it's not going to get all full of any of the fabrics or anything that's loose in your purse. And it has the keychain. This ended up being, as much as you guys love the backpack and you couldn't talk enough about the backpack, and the backpack is one of our #1 sellers, you guys are going nuts over this. So we ended up putting this in the accessories section where you can have it, where you can buy one or you could buy multiples of 2. And believe it or not, the multiples of 2 ended up selling way more, because my brother always discounts when he puts them in multiples of 2, simply because the shipping cost is the same if we ship you 1 or we ship you 2. So what we ended up doing for volume 5, because a lot of you wrote to me that you would have loved, you know, the backpack volume 4, but the price for you was not attainable during this time, which I totally understand. So even though our prices are wholesale and they're fantastic prices, a lot of you felt, you know, this is one of the bags and you were disappointed that you weren't going to get the 3 other items that you thought were absolute winners because they were, you know, exclusive for that box. So what I ended up doing and sitting down with my brother, because like I said, it's through your comments and through your DMs and through you writing to me via email to info@truewants.com that we try our best to make sure that everybody is not having any FOMO and that everyone gets to enjoy what everyone gets to see other people enjoy. So with that said, what we are going to do on volume 5, there are going to be 4 items. 3 of them are going to be brand new to all of you. But the 4th item is going to be the magnifier. We're able to access more of these, so I am able to now put this in volume 5. With that said, with everybody who has already purchased volume 4, and I know some of you have already bought extra ones through the accessories and things like that, but this is going to be a duplicate item for you. So my way of saying, I know that the other items you're going to want them in that are in the bag, and I don't want you missing it because you already have 1, 2, or more of these already. We wanted to, because I sat down with my brother to say, what can we do for all the people that already bought volume 4? And this will end up being a for sure duplicate item, which isn't a problem because you can leave one on your desk. You could have one, you know, where you watch TV, you could have one in your purse. So multiples of these is a non-issue because I have them throughout our house as well as in my purse. So I knew that that wasn't going to be the issue, but we wanted to do something a little extra special for everybody who bought volume 4 and already got this. There is going to be a bonus item in the bag. So for the people that bought volume 4 and already got this, this will be in volume 5, plus the 3 other items that I know you're going to want and you're going to need. So I wanted to make sure that you didn't not get it because you knew that this was going to be a duplicate item. We are going to put a 5th item in your bags. So it might be something that you've already received before. It might be something that by us looking at your previous purchases and there was maybe a variation there that you didn't get, I'm going to put one of those items in your bag for you there. So things like that. I'm going to do my best to you know, get the people that bought volume 4 an extra little something special in their bag. So that's how we're going to be doing this. So like I said, for everybody else, volume 5 is going to include this fantastic magnifier, as well as 3 completely brand new items that we never had in the bags before. And then for everybody who purchased volume 4, we are definitely going to put a bonus item in your bag. So you're going to get the 3 other items plus the magnifier and then an extra item. I hope that I'm making myself pretty clear. All right. Once again, if you have any questions, you can always email me at info@truewants.com. Very excited that that volume 5 is now a reality and that I'm able to share it with you in this video. So once again, read in the description box down below what the launch date is going to be, the price, everything will be there. And as you know, it will only go live on the day at 12 noon that we put in the description box. So you might see sold out on it because we try to set it all up prior to, so that we only will put the quantities in at the time of the launch. All right. So once again, as always, I appreciate so much that you guys have welcomed me into your homes as well as improving lifestyles. We cannot thank you enough. This was not even a thought, and now it has turned into such a reality that you guys keep me busy with trying to make sure to find products that are at attainable prices for you, that we can enjoy this and share this together. All right? So, as I end all my videos, it is so important for me to tell everyone at this time to continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well, and I will see you all again soon in my next video. Take care, and thanks again.